one of the things that I guess in this last 12, 15 years, a lot of product inception comes from demos or concept demos that people will do internally. Or they'll see something in the wild and they'll think, man, I could make that into a product. I could solve a problem. And I think increasingly, particularly in the vision and AI space, we're seeing, we're seeing these networks, these very easy to use tools. Here's a Raspberry Pi. That's not me, that's Adrian, and he's made himself a face detector. And he's thinking, well, what can I use this thing for? And that approach to building product is still really, really popular in terms of an engineering, coming through from an engineering approach. And this, I don't know if you've seen this, remember this diagram. This is a guy called Damien Newman, and he draw a scribble, and this is sometimes how I feel very much when we're in the process of bringing new products to market. And this is kind of where the demos are, and I think we'd all agree that at the start we're all kind of running around trying to figure out what features and things go into a product, and obviously at the end there, we're hoping everything's sane and we've got this successful product.